My name's Kate Small. I'm the Learning Experience Lead at Afterpay for the operations business. So I have about 850 people in my learning cohort across the globe. So Afterpay is a global company. We have customers in Australia and New Zealand, in Canada and in the US, and also in Europe and the UK under the ClearPay brand. Essentially for us in our customer service world, effortless experience is what we live and breathe. We want to be able to help a customer who needs help in their moment of need and do it in a way that they feel it was easy to talk to us and easy to get the answer and the help that they need. And so my team as a learning team isn't successful unless my customer service team members are successful in providing that to our customers. And when you've got lots of different suppliers, lots of different trainers, lots of different countries involved, you have to find some consistency. You need to be able to provide a great onboarding experience, and you need to be able to demonstrate that you've given that learning to people as well. Nobody is going to go in and do any sort of learning if it isn't a part of all of the tools that they're already using. You also have to make it as easy as possible for the people using it. And Lessonly was a great partner for us because we could bring it into Zendesk. It works with our Maestro QA, our quality system, and it gives us the ability to share knowledge and measure success in learning and provide skills and knowledge and behaviours, which is what learning is all about for me, to my people, whether they're in Manila, whether they're in Auckland, whether they're anywhere in the globe at all. One of the things that I really love about Lessonly is that I can give my leaders, my team leaders, my learners, the ability to self-serve, to be able to go in and find what they need when they need it, for the leaders to be able to identify a course that they want to assign to somebody or a practice activity that they want them to do, and also to be able to track that their people are doing what we're asking them to do and provide that coaching and feedback if they aren't. And we have people who have finished their induction programs, who have done their immersion into the role, and they are meeting the business KPIs at 8 weeks later. And it was 12 weeks, so we've taken 4 weeks off that. And not only that, is they are beating tenured staff who aren't even able to meet those targets. The way Lessonly has revolutionized our onboarding program is through allowing us to both create a standard facilitated program and have facilitators have the resources they need to do that, to deliver that training in a training room, but to be complemented by micro-learning, by little sharp lessons that might provide a piece of information, a skill, a practice, a demo, whatever it might be. And then for us to be able to assess at the end of it, to say, hey, yeah, these people do know what we want them to know. And so we're so excited to have them start working with our customers. The success of this program has been phenomenal. I think this is probably the one thing I'm the most proud of in my career. It is something that complements what you do. It makes learning easy. From an admin perspective, it's such a great interface. From a learner perspective, it's simple. It's easy to get what you need. There's great communication in there. And from a leader, whether they're just looking for results or they're truly looking to coach and upskill their team members, they have a great tool that gives them what they need to be able to help their people be better.